Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Dog Scent Kit is probably one of the most effective ways to engage your canine companion in a fun, mentally stimulating activity that strengthens your bond and challenges their natural instincts. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for scent work, from beginner-friendly exercises to more advanced challenges, helping you and your furry friend embark on a rewarding journey of olfactory exploration and discovery, all while building a deeper connection through shared experiences and positive reinforcement. Number 5. DogBone Tracking System. It's a complete dog training kit designed to help your canine companion master the art of tracking wounded game. This system uses a proven, step-by-step method to ensure success. It includes our special DogBone blood trail scent, a blend of 13 scents that realistically mimic a wounded deer's trail. This helps your dog learn in a controlled environment. The system features a real hide drag, made from actual deer hide, for the most realistic training experience possible. You'll also get a heavy-duty drag line. Our comprehensive manual guides you through the entire training process, step by step. It turns your dog into a reliable hunting partner. DogBone products are made in the USA, ensuring superior quality and reliability. You can trust it to perform when it matters most. What we like? It uses real deer scents and hide to simulate real hunting scenarios. The included manual guides you through the training process step by step. If you're training a hunting dog to track wounded deer, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. With my 4-month-old Norwegian elkhound, I followed the instructions using a beef liver in the beginning. Then liver with the pelt and lastly just the pelt. She picked up the trail right away and found the meat pelt everything. So much fun watching her work. Absolutely love this product and would recommend it to anyone who is looking to get into tracking. I never trained a tracking dog before. This product was so helpful and easy to use. I'm now starting my 3rd pup using this product. It can be used with a variety of dogs with different drives. This video was with a dog who has a lot of natural tracking instincts, but I love it and would recommend it to everyone looking to train a pup or older dog for the first time. I soak the hide for a couple hours to soften it back up again, then freeze it after each use. I was using a couple drops of the blood on the hide before I started a drag for the first couple weeks, but I don't need to anymore with my dog. He is staying right with it. Number 4. Ilios Olfactory Kit. Have you experienced a loss of smell? This kit uses natural essential oils to help stimulate your olfactory senses and improve your ability to smell again. It includes 4 pure essential oils: lemon, clove, eucalyptus, and rose. These scents are carefully selected to support olfactory training. Whether you have anosmia, parosmia, or hyposmia, this kit provides a focused approach to help you regain your sense of smell. It's designed for various types of smell loss. The kit's design is based on real scientific studies. It helps you to enjoy the fragrances, food, and other smells once more. In addition to the essential oils, it includes 4 empty dropper bottles and a step-by-step guide to help you through your smell therapy sessions. Everything you need to get started is included. The 10 ml bottles contain only pure, natural essential oils. No artificial fragrances or harsh additives are included, ensuring a gentle and effective approach to olfactory training. What we like? This kit uses all natural essential oils to stimulate the sense of smell. It's designed to help those experiencing a loss or reduction in their sense of smell. If you or someone you know is looking to regain their sense of smell, consider this. What people say. The kit comes nicely packaged, with 4 sealed vials of essential oil and 4 larger containers each with a small sponge inside on the bottom. All items are well labeled. You put a few drops of oil into each container and use those for training your sense of smell. The included instructions are clear. This Ilios Smell Retraining Kit is really packaged very well. It's got 4 small bottles of oils which were sealed tightly and 4 small jars with small felt-like discs where I put 4 or 5 drops of oil. In a week's time I haven't had to refresh them yet. All bottles and jars are labeled with writing big enough for my old eyes to read without a magnifying glass. This is an excellent kit. Unlike the Mox kit that I had bought in the past, this kit can be refreshed when the scents fade by adding drops from the scent bottles into the separate scent pad bottles. I highly recommend this kit. Number 3. DogBone Antler Scent Kit. Train your shed hunting dog with the only liquid scent kit on the market. Its advanced formula is designed for a proven training method. It contains all the scenting elements of a real shed antler, providing a natural and effective training experience for your canine companion. This kit seamlessly integrates with your existing hunting dog accessories. It's all you need to train your dog on the scent of antlers. It helps your dog learn to identify the scent clues present when searching for antlers. This will improve their hunting skills significantly. DogBone is crafted in the USA, ensuring unmatched quality and reliability. You can trust it to help you train your dog effectively. It's the perfect tool to enhance your hunting experience by training your dog to be a more effective shed hunting partner. Get yours today. What we like. It's the only liquid antler scent kit on the market, designed specifically for shed hunting dogs. It uses a proven method to train your dog effectively. If you're training a dog for shed hunting, this kit is your best bet. What people say. The new stronger recipe allows me to dilute the scent, if wanted, to make it more challenging for my dog as he progresses in training. The item comes well packaged and arrived as promised. A good way to start your puppy or dog on scent work and to find shed antlers. My dogs were able to pick up the scent and find antlers wherever hidden. Number 2. Dog Scent Work Tins 6-pack. These handy tins are perfect for dog scent training. They're made of safe, durable material and easy to clean. The tins have pre-drilled holes, so there are no sharp edges. The sliding lids keep everything together and are easy to open. It's made of non-toxic, bite-resistant aluminum. You can safely use them for hiding treats and engaging your dog in scent work. Each tin is 2.68 inches in diameter and 0.95 inches high. They're compact and easy to handle. A cotton barrier lets the scent out, but keeps the treat secure inside. It's ideal for scent training games. Scent work is a fantastic activity for dogs. These tins make it easy to add this fun and enriching game to your dog's routine. What we like. These durable tins are perfect for nose work training games. They're easy to clean and reusable. If you are looking for a fun and engaging way to train your dog's sense of smell, this is a great option. What people say. My boy has really enjoyed using these for scent training. I put the scent on a Q-tip, cut it in half and put it in the tin. They work well and arrived in good condition. I absolutely love these for scent work with my dogs. They are big enough that you can put larger items in there, but small enough that they're not so obvious. I love that they're a more subtle color so I know they're looking with their nose and not their eyes. The holes are a good size so treats don't fall out but they can still smell through them really well. Took these to my dog's class to try out. Shared with others in class as well. They stood up to bring dropped multiple times, let the scent through, and the lid stayed tight. Bought a larger pack to use too. Number 1. Leerburg AKC Scent Work Kit. This kit has everything you need to get started with scent work. It's perfect for building a strong bond with your canine companion and providing engaging mental stimulation. These durable bottles are designed to hold your scent securely. They're easy to use and clean, ensuring a long lifespan. The kit includes a variety of containers to hold your scents, allowing you to experiment with different types and quantities. We've included easy-to-follow instructions and helpful tutorials to guide you through the process. Even beginners will find it simple to use. It's got everything you need to start training your dog in scent work. This comprehensive kit makes scent work accessible and fun for both you and your dog. It meets the standards of the American Kennel Club for scent work. This ensures you're using high-quality materials and following best practices. What we like. This kit meets AKC scent work standards, providing everything you need for structured training. It offers a comprehensive and organized approach to scent work. If you want a structured and standardized approach to scent work training, this is the kit for you. What people say. This kit has everything needed to start preparing your dog for AKC scent work. It is a good container with great protection for the contents. Great kit with a sturdy box and all the 4 scents and 3 tin hides and 4 3D printed magnetic hides. 4 eyedroppers and anise, birch, clove, cypress. Very useful with many tools needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.